Hi, this is NeoNova from PikaCirculator, and this is part 4 of the Japanese box openings. This is from the Psycho Dry box, so we have a Mewtwo EX, Shamey EX, a Zorak Secret Rare, Moltres, Articuno, Leviani, Minccino Ability, Conkeldurr, Luxray, and yeah. So yeah, click this box over here to go to the Psycho Dry box. Anyways, now we will open the Hail Blizzard. So yes, me and my assistants will open it. So yeah. Okay. Shut up. It's my first time opening it. My assistants are laughing at me. Okay, so it was intent. What do you say? Pokemon sealed. And yeah, so there's Pikachu, Lapras, Elgyem. Yeah. So it looks really cool. Okay, anyways, let's get going. Okay, now on the previous video, my assistants were very. Hey! Shh! Sorry, that was my assistant's other assistant. So yes, here we have 20 packs of Hail Blizzard. Okay, so I will give 2.
Why you said 4?
No, go away. No, seriously, go away. I beg you. Oh my goodness, okay.
I'm on Daddy's team. So?
Okay, no, please, seriously.
You're being mean to him.
I never open. You know what? 3. No more. Go away. Will you shut up? Please go away. No more. No more. Okay, no more. Start opening. Ready? I'm gonna open this one. Okay, we're gonna start my assist. Stop. Okay, you guys are irritating. Okay, so our first Hail Blizzard boost. Okay, so Pudding, Rampura, Panipuchi. Oh! First pack, and we have a Regigigas EX, and we have a Canhole, so Unpheasant. Okay, good job. Okay, so Regigigas EX. Stop it, please. Okay. Yeah, are you done? Here, come here. Okay, so my other assistant, go. Kamatachi, I don't know how to say it in English, sorry. Gadi, they're all in Japanese, I'm pronouncing in Japanese. Shiga, and we have a Hollow Kirikizan, I don't even know what it is. And we have a Raichu, cool. Okay, are you done? Open. This is gonna take long. Oh my goodness, these are impossible to open neatly like the ones in the TCG. So we have a Pikachu, Nura, Stop, a Pipotas, and a good. We have a, what was it? Zapdos, yes. It says Sanda, and a Manura. Okay, good job. We have 2 holos and an EX card already. My assistants are very terrible to me. Please, go on. You go. Okay, we have a Bani Lychee. You gotta see. Come on, here. Okay, oh, hooray. A Kyurem EX. Yeah, you guys are impossible.
You guys are impossible.
Why?
Why?
You open it. Fine. Bani Lychee, Pudding, Hitomoshi, Pokemon Center, and a Ken Holo.
High five.
Pokemon Center? That's really nice artwork. Anyways, are you guys?
Where's the scissors?
Here. Shit, one more. Okay, wait. Calm down. Okay, you know what? I'll go first. Okay, Banipuchi, Pudding, a Laltos, Beartic, which looks really weird. And a Sawsbuck. Mebuji Kishika. Okay, go. My friend will go. A Ryoru, Bani Buchi, Daramaka. Oh, and we have a Windy, a guard of. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I don't even know how to say it in English because I don't memorize these. So in Japanese, it says Windy. Next pack. Domira, Kumashon Kapchu, Rigore, and a Bai Vanilla Hollow, which looks really nice.
Vanillies.
And a Heavy Ball. I'm hoping for a double colorless energy here. Are you guys opening?
The last pack.
Yeah, how do you open it neatly? You can't open neatly. It just breaks. Why? Oh, this looks nice. Okay, ready? Churine, Hatobo, Kumashon, a Raichu, and a double colors. Yep. I have a double colors. Good job. Okay, who's going next? We have him. Laratos, Hatobo, Tranquil, I think. Tamagetage, and a Heavy Ball. And yeah, a Free Jow. Okay, now we have a Pikachu.
I have no money.
Like you have to like this. Mabato. And a Hollow Chandela. I know. Okay, you know what? How many packs are there left? See, there's only 4 packs left, and I won't be. Okay.
You opened one, so we have 4.
Yeah. Too bad. You guys took my packs.
No, because I have 3.
It just doesn't matter. Who cares? You're here. Why are you here? Lampura, Yanapu, Pansear, I think. Maibato, Obem, and Manura. So far, not so good. Where's our full art? Rigor, Hitomoshi,
I pull it out.
Ymir. Oh, a secret rare Embor. And a Heavy Ball. So we have a
about this.
It's okay. We have a secret rare Embor. Can you see it? The fire sign. Yeah. So on the previous box, we pulled a secret rare Zorak. So yeah, 2 EX cards. I hope we get a full art because so far we have no full arts at all. Okay. How about do you have any packs? Okay. Okay. We have how many packs left? 6 and 1 here. 5. No, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 packs left. Okay, I'll open mine last. Okay, go. This. Like that. Happy Puppet, whatever. Hatobo, Churina, Dorendia, and a Lapras.
Okay, yeah.
You may. Please be careful. I'll give 1 pack to my friend. Go. Just go. Kira. Like this. Can you just, like that. Komatana. Jiga, Bibiodama, and Toatata. Okay. Go. You're next. Go again. Come on. We're waiting. Go. Here, Harry. Terry. Okay, ready? Can you please? I won't let you open any more packs if you don't. Look, can't you just do it like this? Like this. Like this, not like this. No one can't see like that. Like this, okay? Sorry for the interruption. Go. Ryoru. See, like this. See, you can do it. Anirichi, Tamatage, and Frigio. Oh my goodness, and a dent. So far, no full art, and we have 3 packs left. Oh my goodness. Go. Go.
Go.
You're next.
Go.
You have 1 pack. Go.
No, you go
No.
first. I don't want.
Then give it to me.
No. Ow. Mine? Ow.
This is like one of the worst booster boxes I have ever opened, especially. Oh my goodness. We have a Komatana, Guardi, Kiria, and we have a Sa Naito, Gardevoir, I think in English. Yeah, and Yanaki. Not bad. Go. Open. No? Hitomoshi, Pukurin, Ryoru, and a Lucario, and a Hibirudama. Okay, last pack. Where's my last pack? I had a pack. Okay. Last pack. No full art and 2 EXs. Same as the last box. I wonder why.
I wish there was another box. Oh yeah, there is one. But it's not.
Yeah, no full art. Why? We only pulled one full art out of all of these. Okay, come on, full art. Taramaka, Pukurin, Chikika, and we have a no full art. Oh my goodness.
Wait, can I see something?
No full art at all. So we have a Kirimi X, Regigigas EX, a Secret Rare Emborn, Chandela,
Weird.
Vanilla, Wendy, Thunderous, and yeah. Wow. Overall, I'm not quite satisfied, but it's okay to pull the EXs, but no full art at all. Okay. Thanks for watching. Peace out.